Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Chrysler Town Country. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as automatic dimming door mirrors, blind spot sensor, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chrysler's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call